Hello everyone. Is Fortnite not launching on your PC? Maybe you're getting an error, or the game simply won't open. In this video, I'll show you several ways to fix it. Let's get started. First, open Epic Games Launcher. Go to your library. Find Fortnite. Click the three dots. Select Manage. Then click Verify. Epic Games will check the game files for problems. If any files are missing or corrupted, they will be replaced. Once the process is finished, try launching Fortnite again. If it still doesn't launch, let's repair Easy Anti-Cheat. Open your Fortnite installation folder. Go to Fortnite Game. Then Binaries. Open Win64. Find Easy Anti-Cheat _OS setup. Right-click it. Create a shortcut on your desktop. Right-click the shortcut. Select Properties. At the end of the target field, add a space and type Repair. Click Apply. Then click OK. Open the shortcut to repair Easy Anti-Cheat. Now try launching Fortnite again. If it still doesn't work, go back to the Win64 folder. Find Fortnite Client Win64 Shipping. Right-click it. Select Properties. Open the Compatibility tab. Enable Run this program as an administrator. You can also enable Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Click Apply. Then click OK. Try launching Fortnite again. Next, let's check the Windows Firewall. Search for Windows Defender Firewall. Open it. Select Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Click Change Settings. Make sure Fortnite is allowed through the firewall. Then click OK. If Fortnite still won't launch, let's clear the Epic Games Launcher cache. First, close Epic Games Launcher completely. Press Windows plus R. Type %localaptita %. Press Enter. Open Epic Games Launcher. Then open Saved. Delete the web cache folder. Now, check Windows for corrupted system files. Search for Command Prompt. Right-click it. Select Run as Administrator. Type sfc/scan now. Press Enter. Wait for the scan to finish. Then restart your PC. Now try launching Fortnite again. If you're still having problems, leave the exact error message in the comments. I'll try my best to help. If this video helped you, leave a like and subscribe to Guidify. Thanks for watching.